Triple science required practicals. Should you prioritise? Well, you should know them very well, because each paper is going to have a 6-mark question or a 7-mark question asking you to directly tell you, say, the methodology of one practical. You will also be asked other questions about the other practicals, but you will not have to recall the full method, just short answer questions. But you do need to know the methodology in detail of all the required practicals because of this, so you should be learning them. Now, the way that I learned these was by watching the free science lesson videos on each practical, making active notes, and then I learned them by drawing out on my whiteboard the methodology through a series of pictures. And as I draw it out, I taught myself through the practical. I say, okay, we're getting a beaker, and now we're going to add sodium chloride, and I draw it out as I spoke to myself aloud about it. And then I go out and do it again, and do it again, and do it again, and do it again. And each time the pictures were exactly the same, until the way I spoke was exactly the same as well, until I knew every single detail of that practical. And I did this for every practical in all 3 sciences, and that's how I memorised the required practicals. And it is important that